Welcome. Till now we have studied about the perimeter of square and rectangle. Perimeter, the sum of all the sides. Together we got the perimeter. Now area. Area, if you see here, this is the shape of square and square inside orange color. This is the space occupied by this object, that is said to be area. So this is area. Now square, area of square formula is, that is side multiplied with side. So we can write side square. So this is the formula. And unit is always square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer. In area, always the unit is square units. Now if you see, this is the rectangle, this is the length, and this is the breadth, and this is the area. The space inside the rectangle is the area. Therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied with breadth. So this is our formula. And unit is always square meter, square units. Whatever the unit is given. If meter, then square meter. If centimeter, then square centimeter. So unit we should always remember. So now we will solve the exercise. That is practice set 45. First question it is given. If the side of a square is 12 centimeter, find its area. So side of the square is given. So first what is given we will write. Side of a square is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, we know area of a square is equal to side square. So that is equal to 12 square. Square of 12, it is 144. And unit we have to write, that is square centimeter. Therefore, we can write area of a square is equal to 144 square centimeter. Now, if you see the question number second, it is given, if the length of a rectangle is 15 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, find its area. So what is given, that we will write rectangle. Length is given. Length is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth is given 5 centimeter. Therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length it is given 15 and breadth 5. 15 5s are 75. So unit 75 square centimeter. So we can write, therefore area of a rectangle is equal to 75 square centimeter. Now let us see the third one. Third question it is given. The area of the rectangle is 102 square centimeter. If its length is 17 centimeter, what is its perimeter? So we have to find out the perimeter. Here, area of rectangle is given. Area of rectangle is equal to 102 square centimeter. Length is given 17 centimeter and breadth we have to find out. So first we will find out the breadth. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So here area is given, that is 102 is equal to length into breadth. We can use, if length is L I have taken here. So 102 is equal to, what is length given? 17 into B. Therefore, breadth is equal to 102 by 17. We know 17 ones are 17 6 are 102. So breadth we got is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find out the perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle formula is twice length plus breadth, that is twice length is how much we got already given 17 and breadth we got 6. So 2 into 17 plus 6 it is 23. So 2 into 23 it is 46 centimeter. So here we solved question number 3. Now we will see question number 4. It is given if the side of a square is tripled, means square is given and side is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? So we will take, suppose the side of a square, we don't know, so we will take suppose side of a square we will write is A. Then therefore area of a square, it will be what? A square. So condition is given if the side of a square is tripled, means 3 times, then the side will be equal to 3A, because we have taken A. So therefore area of new square we will find out. Therefore area of new square is equal to 3A whole square. Okay, because 3 times, so 3 3s are 9A square we got. So therefore we can write, therefore area of a new square is 9 times to the area of the original square. Here we have finished practice set 44. Thank you. Practice set 45 we have finished here. So thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.